Binance Futures is a scam, and I finally have proof to show you guys. So let's have a look. Yesterday night, I was trying to get into a position here on Bitcoin because it was around 19,000, and it made sense to get in because I could see this little scam wick down here, and I said, okay, right, this is everybody flushed out. See the big volume here? See the long tail? That means everybody's been flushed out, all right? And it flushed out the low here, and this one flushed out the low here. So it was 3 flushes in a row. Again, high volume, long tail, 3 flushes in a row. I said, right, perfect time to get in. So I got in. And then it climbed up a little bit, and and then I put in a stop loss, and it started to come down towards my stop loss. And I said, uh-oh, you're not taking me out. Removed my stop loss, went up again, put back my stop loss in, and came down, removed it. And then I had to go to bed, and I put it back in, and it came down. And while I was getting ready for bed, it came in, liquidated me, went up, and never ever came back. You can see, guys, here, this is the line here. This is as far as it went. Never before or after it came to this price. This is exactly this wick down here is purely simply to liquidate my position, okay, to take my stop loss, because you can see neither before nor after was it at this price. It is absolutely unbelievable. So let me show you proof. So Binance doesn't update very well. So this is my position that still appears to be open, although it's actually gone. You can see my stop limit here was 18,978. If I go here and show you the price, 18,974. You see how precisely they came down to liquidate? And I believe it was just me, because it didn't do it before, it didn't do it after. And twice, when it was approaching it and I removed my stop loss, the price moved away from it. So let me show you my trade history here. Or should I? I think it's the order history I have to show you here. Okay, guys. So this is when I bought. Okay, and these are the two that I canceled. You can see here that they've been canceled. See the price where they were. Okay, so roughly the same. We're talking about $4 in the difference. And then here again, 18,974 also canceled. Okay, I did this on, let me have a quick look here, at 23:04 and then at 36 past midnight. So we're talking about an hour and a half apart. Okay, so the price approached twice. So these are the 5-minute candles. So let's look at the time. So 23:04. Let's have a look at 23:04. When was that? So that was 23:05. So that was here. See how close it came and backed away. Only came down to 18,985. Did not liquidate me because I removed the price. It stopped and moved away. Okay, so I actually could have taken a tiny little bit of profit here, but we're talking about a couple of dollars. So I was really only doing this to test my theory that they purposefully come down and liquidate you, because I've been taken out of so many stop losses just the price to then bounce up, that I was like, okay, let's play this game. All right, let's see how this works. And I am absolutely 100% sure that this is exactly what's going on. It's the market maker coming down and taking your position, because think about it. What's happening with a stop loss is you are willing to sell back your Bitcoin at a lower price than what you bought it for. That's what a stop loss is. And market maker is going like, okay, sure, why not? I mean, if I was in their position, sure. I mean, you bought it at a higher price, you want to sell it back at a lower price. Okay, I'm going to come back and take it off you. Okay, and that's exactly what is going on here. So this was the first time it tried to liquidate me, and it didn't. Then it came back down a second time. Look at this. This one was canceled at 36 minutes past midnight. So when was that? 36 minutes past midnight. This is right here. Okay, guys, see again. So let's see what the price came down to. 18,992. I removed my stop loss, and the price moved back up. Do you see this, guys? And then I finally had to go to bed. I put my order in, and even though it looks like it's open here, it's not open anymore. I'm actually logged out at the minute, so I can't show you, but my order is gone. You can see, because it was at the same price, and you see it came down to 18,974, and my stop loss was 18,978. Came down, liquidated me. That was in the middle of the night, and look at this. It never ever came down, and this is now 8 hours, nearly 8 hours later, and it still hasn't come down. So if I had removed my stop loss here, it wouldn't have come down. I would still be in my position, and I would have been in some profit here and then again right now. So if you try to get into position with a really tight stop loss, 99% of the time it's not going to work. Why? Because the market maker is just going to come down, take your order, say thank you very much, and move away from you. So that's why it's really difficult to get into a position with low risk if you want to take like a big position. Anything less than 10% generally would just wipe you out. It's just money down the drain, you know, unless you're really sure know exactly what you're doing. But this is 100% proof that market maker is working against you. The exchange is trading against you. Because think about it. Most of the orders you see on the order book are not your orders. They're not orders from some other trader on the exchange. It's actually the exchange and their market maker. They're in there, fill in the orders. And I've seen prices. Let's say if you put a limit buy order, you just see the price move away from that. It just wants to entice you to offer a better price. I've seen it so many times. This manipulation is just rampant on all the exchanges. This is Binance we're talking about, guys. Binance. And I put a tiny little, puny little order, and it came down and liquidated me. So you just need to be aware when you're trading that these things do happen. These things are real. And don't give them your money, okay? Don't trade like this because you're just literally giving them your money. All right, thanks very much. I'll see you in the next one.